How's that going there, guys? If you have, I will show a before picture and an after picture. If you've put a reverse like camera in, like normally it's an aftermarket one, or you've changed some cable or something, and you find on the camera it's okay, but there's actually like lines coming like through it. What is like normally the problem is there's a double ground happening like somewhere, and that like normally comes because the RCA has a ground and a video feed, plus there's a ground for the actual power ground. So I guess what we have are these little ground isolating like boxes. So you plug like one end into the camera feed and the other end into the camera input there, and those lines will go away. I'll show you a quick before and after picture in a second, and you can see what that is like, but a very sort of a handy little thing if you're having that issue. So here's what I mean about it's probably quite hard to see, but there's these little lines, black, almost like old school TV, actual lines coming like through the camera. So that is what the isolation of the box will fix. So in the back of our head unit here, we've got our purple cam in, and this one's coming from there. We're going to put our isolator box in between those two. There it is there installed, and we can stick it down somewhere. We'll probably stick it on top of here, good enough room, and then we'll check that it's actually improved it. So there we have it all plugged in. You can see the quality's a lot actually better. I can actually make up almost that like number plate in the background there now. On the old one I couldn't even do that.